morning everyone. Today we will study the classical and the statistical definition of probability and the two important ways to define it. Before it, let me ask one simple question. If you toss a coin, what is probability getting hits? Most people say that 1/2, but how do we know that? What is probability? Probability is a number that describes how likely an event is to happen. Let me write some basic properties. Probability is always between 0 and 1. 0 means the event is impossible. 1 means the event is certain. Probability is used not only in mathematics and also in economics, medicine, engineering, and real life. The classical definition of probability. The classical definition of probability is used when the number of possible outcomes is hit. All outcomes are equally likely. We define the classical probability as number of favorite outcomes, the total number of possible outcomes. Let me take an example. Example question. A coin toss. Possible outcomes heads and tails. Total number of outcomes 2. If event A is getting hits, probability, then probability equal 1/2. And another example. Example 2. Rolling a dice. definition of probability is based on real data and experiments. We define a formula of statistical probability as number of trials number of times event A occurs. Let me take an example. Sorry, tossing a coin. Suppose we have we toss a coin 1,000 times and we got hits 510 times, tails